Alright everyone, welcome to Dr. Saurabh's classes. So before we dive into this question, let's talk about the CogAT. No, it's not a brand of a high-end cat food. It stands for the Cognitive Abilities Test. Now most of the examination test what you learned. But CogAT, it tests how you think. It's basically a gym workout for your brain's logic muscles. It looks at verbal, quantitative and non-verbal reasoning. So today we are tackling the quantitative battery, specifically the number puzzles. Okay. Now look at the problem. Find the value of this question mark that makes the equations true. 12 plus this is this and this into 2 is this. So what will be this number? Option A says 16, B is 8, C is 14, D is 10. Okay. So let's solve this. Now the problem is like 12 plus this is 20. Now in the world of CogAT, shapes are just celebrities in disguise. So this diamond is a number trying to hide from us. Now some people look at this and start sweating. Don't. We use the inverse operation maneuver. And if 12 plus something equals to 20, then that something must be the difference between 20 and 12, right? So this diamond is basically 20 minus 12, that is 8. So if you want to find the diamond, you need to get it by itself. So this is 8, right? So the diamond is officially 8. Now he is not so tough, right? Now the problem says diamond into 2 is what? So now we have ripped the marks of the diamond and the rest of the puzzle is trembling in fear. So we know diamond is 8. So the second equation is actually just 8 into 2 is what? Right? Now if you tell me this is 15, I might have to retire and become a professional pancake flipper. 8 into 2 is of course 16. Right? So in logic, if A equal to B and B equal to C, then definitely A is equal to C. Here we use the substitution method. Right? Once we define the value of the symbol in step 1, the value stays constant throughout the entire problem. So in CogAT, consistency is the king. Now look at our option. Option number A is 16. Yes, this is our winner. Okay, so CogAT loves the distractions. Option B is 8 because they know half of the class will find the diamond and shout I'm done and circle B. But you are at Dr. Saurabh's classes. You will see the second step, right, and you finish the job. So, and that, my friends, is how you dismantle a CogAT puzzle without breaking a sweat. And remember, find the symbol, substitute the symbol and win the game. Okay, so this is all about this question. Okay, this is a very nice question from the CogAT, and in the next session we will be doing this kind of questions again and again and again, so that you can pass this examination very well. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with a new question, with a new logic, with a new concept. So that will be very beneficial for you. Don't miss that out. Okay, so see you guys in the next session. Bye bye.